Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add another email or phone number on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So first of all, we need to open settings and then we want to head to your Apple account. So let's tap on our name and then choose sign in and security. And here at the top we have our email and phone numbers. We can press edit in order to manage that, and we have the option to add email or phone number. If you tap on this option, then you have exactly two options to either add an email address or a phone number. So if you decide to, for instance, add the email address, then you will need to enter the email address over here. After you press next in the top right corner, you will need to verify your email. You will receive a verification code and you will need to enter it over here. And after that, you should have two emails listed over here. And with phone number, it is pretty similar. If you go over here, then you can enter the phone number. Of course, if you want to, you can change the country code or region or wherever, and then simply press next and follow the instructions if they appear. And then once you are done, you can press done over here in the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.